Hey guys, welcome back to RBC Talk. So if alpha and beta are the roots of the polynomial x square minus 2x plus 2, let's find these alpha square plus beta square and etc. So how do we approach this problem? We know that ax square plus bx plus c is in a polynomial and alpha and beta are the roots of this polynomial. We know the sum of the roots like alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, right? And the same way product of the roots alpha into beta equal to c by a, right? Knowing these two basic things, right? Let's start approaching the problem. What is our actual equation, right? So x square minus 2x plus 2, right? So we know that a equal to 1, b equal to minus 2, the product of the roots alpha, sum of the roots alpha plus beta equal to minus of minus 2 by 1, that's nothing but 2, right? Same way product of the roots c by a, c is equal to 2, 2 by 1 equal to alpha into beta equal to 2. Now alpha plus beta and alpha beta, we know both of these. So let's approach uh, first one, right? Alpha square plus beta square. How do we get this one, right? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Something like a plus b whole square minus 2ab gives alpha, a square plus b square, right? So alpha plus beta is nothing but 2 square minus 2 into 2, that's 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Now the second one, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So it's basically, that's, if you take the LCM alpha beta, it gives alpha square plus beta square. So alpha square plus beta square, we got it from the first equation, that's nothing but the 0 by 2 equal to 0. Right? Third one, alpha cube plus beta cube. How do we get this one? So alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta, right? So that's nothing but, so 2 cube minus 3 into 2 into 2, right? So that's 8 minus 12, that's equivalent to minus 4. Now the next one is alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. So again take LCM alpha beta, that gives alpha cube plus beta cube, and we know that alpha cube plus beta cube, just now we got it in the equation number 3, right? From here you take minus 4 by 2 is nothing but minus 2. Now the last one is alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4. Fifth one, right? Yeah. Alpha to the power of 4 and beta to the power of 4. How do we get this one? So alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4 equal to alpha square plus beta square whole square minus 2 alpha square beta square. Right? So considering this alpha square plus beta square is a 0 minus 2 into 2, alpha beta is 2, 2 into 2 square, that's nothing but minus 8. So alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4 equal to minus 8. Okay. Yeah. So thank you for watching.